What up, YouTube? Back at you again. Giving y'all the video I said I was gonna give y'all. Just got another one. Let me slide that over. So today I got y'all something up. That Viking at 15. What's up? Been testing that for a week straight. I've been about 2 weeks. Whatever it was last time I made this video. A week or two, whatever. So, still on the same battery. So, what I have been doing, it's currently not charging the truck. I got it disconnected. I turned the circuit breaker off. It's sitting at right at 13.1. So, I'm gonna give y'all a little something on it. Let y'all see what this thing can do. Now, this is purely all battery. The truck is running off its own power. Lithium disconnected from the truck. So, alternator's not charging it. I'm gonna give y'all a little something. Show y'all what it do.
Go girl, I need some Charmin. Hey Mike, okay. What you doing, home? Lit up like a Christmas tree. Your bitch digging my ornaments. Judge say my bitch too loud. I broke a noise ordinance. Cool, I get it. Got a bad bitch and she with it. Scared money, don't make money. Y'all niggas too timid. Throw the check, let her get it. Keep more head than a pity. If the rose ain't keep on spilling on to this, then y'all gon' keep on tipping. Gone.
Yes, sir. It's making some noise. Pop my circuit breaker. Don't worry, all this temporary. Those two was running the amp. Definitely need some big ones. I'm gonna convert the fuses to those, so I got to keep worrying about that. But that's with the battery sitting at 12.9 now. No problem. Last video, I know people said everything was junk and whatever, but look, hey, I just got the other battery. This one was temporary, so everything, I'm gonna make everything nice and neat. As you can see, she doing numbers. She doing it. And look at that, right back at 13.1. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let's see if I can get y'all a little something. 13.1. I'm gonna cut it back on, show y'all what it dropped down to. This is raw. Everything as it goes. Actually, yeah, it did come back on. Alright, put y'all back on. Alright, so that's just our battery power. It ain't been charged. It ain't been charged in a while. So that's where it's at now. Alright, so now I'm gonna pop the hood. Now I'm gonna pop the hood, cut the battery on. Now you hear it. Now we're gonna cut it back on so you can see. Woo, I'm gonna make my nose jiggle a little bit. So y'all, that's my review. So y'all see it. I ain't seen many reviews, videos, reviews, none of that on this app. So I decided to do one. So if y'all interested in getting one, I say get one. So I just want y'all to know, if y'all get one, the gain knob is right there. And it is very, very small. One RCA in. Never mind the speaker wires, I know they're small, but you're getting the job done from there. Yes, sir. All right, till then, let's see here. Let's see how I get y'all another song. I don't want to play nothing get me copyrighted. Let's see here. I'm gonna try not to make the video too long. Let's see here. What we got? See, I'm gonna play a little bit of that one.
Promethazine at 13, motherfucker.
Everything slow motion.
I am not an earthling, motherfucker. And you are not a girl, you're a goddess. Us against the world, girl, I got us. Benny Hannes for them lame shit. She in the kitchen whipping cheese eggs with the same hand as you with the chains. Five course meals, yeah, she made my number for my sailor like Shaquille. One time, was about to sacrilegious, cause magic is a sin and my dick always vanishes. Pictures.
Yep, well, cut off again. But that's my review on it. So y'all drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think.